Let's make a suffix spider. For this craft, you will need a notebook, colored paper, scissors, and glue. Oh yeah, and you'll also need a suffix. You can see the suffix ness in orange and adjectives, 7 of them in black. Kind, fit, careless, foolish, happy, weak, and dark. Let's turn these adjectives into nouns. Great work, but I spot one spelling mistake. Do you see it too? Yep, happiness is spelled incorrectly. When an adjective ends in a Y, like happy or lazy, we change the Y to an I and then we add the suffix ness. So happiness and laziness are both spelled with an I before the suffix ness. Thank you for listening so carefully. I appreciate your attentiveness. Now it's craft time. Once your spider's legs are dry, flip it over, write the suffix in the middle, and draw a face. Write your nouns that end with the suffix ness on the legs. There was a question mark in my notebook next to number 8. And that's because you're going to choose the 8th word that ends with the suffix ness on your own. I'm going to write laziness with an I on mine, but can you think of something different? Last step is to fold your spider legs like an accordion, and you're all set. You can go creep people out with your spider's creepiness. Happy Halloween!